What's happening, guys? What if I promise you that you can make your phone look exactly like a computer using an OTG cable, a Bluetooth adapter, and a mouse? Is it even possible? Let's find out in this video. So first let me keep these things aside and open the phone itself. So first of all, you have to go ahead and download this app. The app name is sent to your desktop, and as usual all the links are down in the description box below. Once you download this app, go ahead and download one more app. The app icon looks exactly the same and the app name is sent to desktop apps. So once you download all this, go ahead and open the first one. So once you open the first one, it will start up like this. So it's saying to turn your Android into a powerful work operating system, we need to ask a few questions. We'll tell you exactly what we need and why. Most importantly, we will tell you what you won't use it for. Okay, so let's start. Basically, it will ask a lot of permissions that you have to grant so that it can change things to landscape mode and whatsoever. So let us give all those permissions. So for example, if you consider my case, I have already used this app, so I have given all the permissions it needs. So okay, I have already given those permissions, so I will not be giving it again. And now it's asking to did you download send to apps. Basically, you have to write your email. So let me type my email ID. So that's it. So once you type in your Gmail ID, go to send to desktop. So that's how your interface will look like. Let me zoom in a bit to show you guys. So now what you have to do is take this OTG cable and then connect it. And once you connect this OTG cable, take the receiver from your Bluetooth mouse and connect it here. It will look like this, and after that you can keep it on a surface, and then you can just switch on your mouse, and there you go. As you can see, guys, you have got the cursor here. Now let me zoom in a bit to show you how it works. So first of all, what we have is a set of apps that we can use. For example, the browser app. So let me open and show. So as you can see, it is saying no internet because mine is not connected to Wi-Fi. And you have the calculator app also. Everything works superb, and it will give you a feeling as if you are working on a desktop computer. Maybe anyone having a Xiaomi Mi Pad 2 or any other big phones, they can take advantage of this. Or you also have a file explorer which look exactly like the one that you have. You also have to give some permissions. Okay, let me give permissions to it. So once you give permissions, you can always use all these things. For example, all the downloaded things that I have over here. So it looks exactly like what you see on a computer. Even I can go on the full screen mode, or even I can use it in a minimized mode, and I can drag all the files over here. So it's one of those cleanest looking fake windows that you can get on Android, I would say. And you have music player also. You can play any music, you can browse your music, same thing, you can even expand it. So it looks really nice. You also have the photo viewer app. So you have the task manager, which will show all the tasks that is going on. You also get this cool graph kind of thing showing how much RAM you are using, how much is free. So that's nice. You also have a text editor to basically type things up, and you also have a video player. So these are all the pre-installed app that you can get. Other things, for example, if you click on this S icon, it will open all the apps that you have. You can also type on this and search any app. For example, now let me open KineMaster and show you. Okay, as you can see, KineMaster opens up. It is one app that will be very useful if it's in a desktop mode. So for example, I go to empty project and just go ahead and do some work. It will be very nice. So I just come back, and you can see that every app that I open here will be in landscape mode. For example, I open Adobe, and then I will open this thing. So you can see that we can use this as a computer maybe, or some people who are very much used to computer and want to do work in something that looks like a computer. People can use this thing. I think it would be very useful for them. And now let me open some more things and show you how this works. For example, let me open Beam Bomb. So everything has been forced to work on landscape mode, and it works fine. Even the mouse that we are using is working really fine. No need for touch gestures because my phone has an on-screen keyboard also. I can just go back and do this thing. To the bottom we have the taskbar, that is you have all the recent apps that you have used. In my case you can see KineMaster, Adobe Acrobat and Beam Bomb, all the apps that I've used. And here you have all the apps that you can open because these are pre-installed on your phone. This is really nice. You have every single app and it is forced to work on a landscape mode. It works fine. There is no shutter or no lag whatsoever there. Everything works as advertised. And to this side, that is the right hand side, we have the notification bar or the taskbar as in some computers. As you can see here, you can increase or decrease the volume and it will show that my Wi-Fi is off, my Bluetooth is off. Here also you can go to the all settings, that will basically open your phone settings. It will say that I'm using GeoSIM but no signal. The battery is 92%, and here I will receive all the notifications, and that's pretty much it. Here you can see all the things. So it looks somewhat like the computer. You can also play this awesome game, that is Minesweeper. So guys, if you are looking for some kind of change or maybe want to do some work that will look nice on a landscape mode, and you want to increase your productivity by using a mouse and just keeping it somewhere, placing it and just doing those editing works or whatsoever, this app will work really great. So guys, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more daily tech videos. Till then, it's Jones and I'm signing off.